up, caffeine lovers? A new app made its way from Israel to the U.S. and will get you unlimited coffee every month. I'm Hadley Malcolm, and this is Young Money. Well, it costs $45, but for that, the Cups app lets you redeem all-you-can-drink coffee at a network of coffee shops. Started by a group of high school friends from Israel, Cups first debuted in Tel Aviv in 2012. Now it's made its way to New York City. Cups is partnering with about 30 independent coffee shops around New York and Brooklyn. You download the app, make an account, and pick your location. Once you get there, you choose the drink you want and give your payment code to the cashier. $45 a month gets you unlimited brew, drip, pour over, filtered coffee, or tea. For $85 a month, you can get unlimited espresso drinks. The app also lets you sign up for smaller amounts, but $45 a month, that's only about $1.50 a cup if you buy one every day. Let's hope Cups soon makes its way to other cities too. Drink up and stay savvy.